Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, my name is Recha. Today I am going to discuss about foxtail millet. Foxtail millet is rich in nutrients including dietary fiber, vitamins such as B vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. It provides a good balance of essential nutrients that are important for overall health. Nutritional value of foxtail millet. Foxtail millet is naturally gluten free, making it a suitable friend for individuals who have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. It can be a good alternative to wheat and other gluten containing grains in the diet. Foxtail millet has a low glycemic index, which means it does not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels when consumed. This property can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those who are looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Foxtail millet have dietary fiber content which prevent constipation, promote regular bowel movements, and supports a healthy gut microbe. Due to its high fiber content and low glycemic index, foxtail millet can contribute to a feeling of fullness and help control to manage their weight. The nutrients present in foxtail millet, such as magnesium and potassium, have been associated with cardiovascular health. Magnesium helps regulate blood sugar, while potassium supports heart and muscle function. Foxtail millet contains various antioxidants, including polyphenols, which can help protect the cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The millet is a source of calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who are lactose intolerant or have limited dairy consumption. Foxtail millet is used as cooking grains. Foxtail millets can be cooked similarly to rice or other grains. It's usually boiled with water or broth until it's soft and fluffy. This cooked millet can be used as a base for various dishes. Porridge. Millet porridge is a common preparation, especially for breakfast. It's made for boiling foxtail millet with water or milk until it reaches a creamy consistency. It can be sweetened with honey, sugar, or flavored with spices like cinnamon and cardamom. Side dish. Cooked foxtail millet can be used as a side dish to accompany curries, stews, and other main dishes, much like rice or gyoza. Salads. Foxtail millet can be used in salads to add a nutty flavor and pleasant crunch. It pairs well with vegetables, nuts, and herbs. Stir fries. Cooked millets can be used in stir fries as a substitute for rice. It adds a unique texture and flavor to the dish. Baking. Ground foxtail millet can be used as a gluten free flour alternative in baking. It's often used to make pancakes, muffins, cookies, and other baked goods. Soup thickeners. Millets can be used as a natural thickening agent for soups and stews due to its starch content. It can add a subtle creaminess to the texture. Traditional dishes. Foxtail millet is a key ingredient in traditional dishes in many cultures. For example, in India, it is used to make dishes like upma, pongal, and various sweets. Beverages. Millets can also be used to make beverages like millet based smoothies or shakes, providing a nutritious option for a drinkable meal. Cereal. Millet can be consumed as a cereal with milk or yogurt, similar to how you might oats or other breakfast cereals. Foxtail millet benefits for different groups. For diabetic patients, foxtail millet is important due to its low glycemic index, which means it causes slower and more gradual increases in blood sugar levels. For weight gain watchers, foxtail millet is used because it is low in calories and rich in dietary fiber. It can help increase feelings of fullness and satisfy, making it a good option for those looking to manage their weight. It is used for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, making it a suitable grain for individuals who need to avoid gluten due to celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. For healthy heart, this millet is important. The high fiber content in foxtail millet can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Its magnesium content also contribute to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. For digestive health, finger millet is essential due to its dietary fiber promotes healthy digestion and can prevent constipation. For vegans and vegetarians, foxtail millet is a good source of plant-based protein, making it a valuable addition to the diets of individuals who follow vegan and vegetarian lifestyles. For athletes and active individuals, foxtail millet is rich in complex carbohydrates which provide sustained energy. Its nutritional profile can be beneficial for individuals who engage in physical activities, helping them maintain energy levels. For children and adolescents, foxtail millet nutrient density, including vitamins and minerals like iron and calcium, making it a suitable grain for supporting the growth and development of children and teenagers. For elderly individuals, foxtail millet ease of digestion and nutrient content can be particularly beneficial for elderly individuals who might have specific dietary needs and potential digestive issues. For individuals with iron deficiency, foxtail millet contains a good amount of iron, which is important for preventing and managing iron deficiency anemia. People with hypertension, foxtail millet's magnesium content can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, making it a suitable choice for individuals with hypertension. Video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.